Okay, in this one we see that MH is perpendicular to HT, so that means they make a right angle right there. And MA is perpendicular to AT, so that's that right angle. Then it says TM bisects HMA. That's this angle here. That's all that's given in the given information. I can also see that the two triangles overlap on this side, so I can mark that as congruent. Okay, so you might be tempted to use HL with this one since it's got a right angle, but we have two angles and a side. HL would need two sides. So this is either ASA or AAS. If I look at the two angles, the side that is marked is not the one between those two angles, so it's next to the angles. So this is AAS. And in the given information, they didn't say anything was congruent. So let's start with the perpendicular things. Because those were perpendicular, we were able to draw the right angle sign. So I'm going to say those two are right angles. So HM and HA are right angles. And that is the definition of perpendicular. Okay, and then since they are both right angles, we can say that they are congruent. So angle H is congruent to angle A, and the reason is that all right angles are congruent. Like that. Okay, so now we've said two angles are congruent. I'm going to mark off an A. The next part of the given was that TM bisects this angle. That means it cut that angle into these two equal pieces. So let's say those two are equal. So angle HMT is congruent to angle AMT. And that's the definition of bisect. So you can cross off another A. Okay, then for this side, we use the reflexive property because both triangles share MT. So MT is congruent to MT by the reflexive property. You can cross off an S. All right, so then the last piece, we've got crossed off everything on our to-do list. So the two triangles are congruent. That is by angle, angle, side. The end.